don't know how to farm.
This month, my yoga and play program took the children to the farm so we can go egg hunting. First, we met some cows. Cows don't lay eggs. They walk around and they graze on grass. Have the children walk around the room, following me as a leader, and have them make this sound. Cow pose is a gentle extension of the spine. Take a deep breath in, and we say, keep the sound as long as possible and feel the vibration in the front of the throat. And keep singing the song, Oh MacDonald. And we see some dogs. The friendly dogs pant and smile. Have the children stick their tongue out and pant. And then come to down dog and wag the tails from side to side. Another very good breath exercise. And then lift the tail up into the sky, wag around and say woof, 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 woof. Dogs don't lay eggs either. And keep playing with the puppy poses. We have to keep looking for the animals that will lay eggs. We see some horses. Horses don't lay eggs either. They have strong legs. Stretch one leg behind you and lift high into the sky. And then the other leg, and this is a quite strengthening position for the entire back and legs and core. For older children, we can do some horse kickings. Horses don't lay eggs, they kick. We still have to keep looking around for the animals that will lay eggs. This time we see some pigs. Come onto your back and kick your legs and move your arms and say the sound oink, 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 oink. Roll around in the mud. Pigs like to roll in the mud and get really, really dirty. Pigs don't lay eggs. For older children, I'll have them catch their feet with their hands and start rocking side to side. This is a happy baby pose. Stretch the hips and relax the spine. Now maybe this time we'll see some animals that lay eggs. Oh no, we didn't. We see some rabbits. No, rabbits don't lay eggs. They walk on fours and hop on fours. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a wonderful exercise for arm strength and shifting the weight back and forth. Finally, we are at the chicken coop. We saw some hens. Hens are female chickens. They lay eggs. They flap their wings. They say cluck, 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 cluck. Some hens are really big. Cluck, cluck, rock from side to side. When they move, they are almost waddling. Oh, I don't know how to farm. The hens sit on their eggs carefully. I have a big egg, and the children each have a small one. Here and moo there, here moo there moo, everywhere moo. Hens carry their eggs between their knees. They waddle with their eggs. Don't drop the eggs. They will break. Squeeze the eggs with the knees
woof there.
In adult
Here, woof,
yoga
there,
classes,
woof, everywhere,
we
woof,
use
woof.
a yoga block
Pull
to
me
engage
down,
our
know how
inner
to
thighs
farm.
and core muscles,
E-I-E-I-O.
while
And
keeping
on
the
his
knees
farm he
in the
had
safe
some
distance apart.
horses.
We do this in poses
E-I-E-I-O.
like
With a neigh
Uttanasana
here
chair
and
pose.
a neigh there. Here neigh, there neigh, everywhere neigh. Old MacDonald has the farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm
In my
he had
Yoga
some
and
pigs.
Play Kids yoga program,
E-I-E-I-O.
I
With a oink,
lead
oink
the
here and a
kids
oink,
hop
oink there.
around the
Here,
room
oink, there, oink,
and
everywhere, oink,
waddle
oink.
around
Old MacDonald had a
and keep
farm.
squeezing the ball with our
E-I-E-I-O.
knees.
And on his farm he had some hens. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck